It is a great day to be out riding. This Dodge guy, he's going off the road. Let's follow him. Oh, we are recording. What is going on, guys? Oh, shit. I gotta get this thing out of my mouth. Oh, yeah. What is going... What is going on, guys? It's still in my mouth! Get up! What is going on, guys? Welcome. Holy shit, I hate roundabouts. Welcome back to the channel. We have something special for you today. Woo! Oh my goodness. It's still in my mouth after all of that. I wonder where can I get on the interstate from there? I don't know if I can. I don't think so. We're gonna keep going straight. Oh no, it's another roundabout. Bro, I'm so terrified of roundabouts. It's not even funny how it's still in my mouth, bro. Oh my god, it's still in my fucking mouth. Come on! Get out of my fucking mouth! Ooh, yeah. Dude, the vibes! It's getting back in my mouth! I have this stupid fucking, like, not even a scarf, but it's like, this keeps getting in my mouth. We're just out riding today. We had to stop by the Honda dealer to get a battery tender end. And now we're going to Gramps to get the part that plugs into the wall. Oh man, I'm just so happy today. It is such a good day, man. It is just such a good day. Come on. What are you... Oh! What the fuck? I don't understand, people. Respect the neck. Woo! Oh, there's a nice GT Mustang. Hope this fucking truck can get past this stop sign. He's going the way I'm going. That's not good. Hi, Lincoln. Oh my god, he actually went. He actually went. Oh my god, guys. You saw it here first. Dodge owners can use stop signs. Oh yeah, let's catch him. Woo! It is a great day to be out riding. This Dodge guy, he's going off the road. Let's follow him. You know how I feel about Dodge owners, man. I don't know what's going on with them. Oh, I know what's wrong with this Dodge guy. There's nobody in front of him that he can tailgate. That's what's wrong with this guy. Can't even stay on his lane. Oh, there's a Jeep. Whoa, she's jamming out. Why is this guy up my ass? Nothing I can do about it, moron. Look in front of me. You don't see this giant fucking Dodge in front of me? Like, I know that, like, it's easy to speed and, like, you know, sport bike riders speed and shit, but, like, and it's not even that, like, I'm in a hurry, but, like, you don't, just because it says 45 doesn't mean you have to go 45, right? Like, you can go 48 Mrs. Kia. Like, you can go 48 or 49. I mean, you don't gotta go 41. 41? We're being a little on the safe side today, are we? Just a little tad bit on the safe side, Mr. Kia. Why is there so much traffic, bro? What the f*** is that? Is today a f***ing national holiday? What is this shit? Kia's got a missing brake line. Oh, the Kia. Oh, he's a handicap. I take everything I said about the Kia back. He's got to be doing it on purpose. Bunch of NPCs on the road. Why did those bikers not tell me there was a cop coming? I feel so betrayed. Nice. That's a girl, bro. That's a girl. What?
Permission to leave the station.
Let's go, dude. Fucking Honda gang.
Hey guys, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos and supporting me, and for leaving a like or a dislike or whatever you want to leave. But I just want to say thank you so much for the support on my last video. It's already got 1,000 views, and it's only been 22 hours at the time that I'm recording this. I'm currently editing the next video that I'm going to have up for you guys this next week. But honestly, I never thought this early into this whole YouTube thing that I'd have a video get to 1,000 views. That's crazy to me. I never saw that coming this early. So just thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Yeah, and a lot more content is on the way. I'm going to try to be posting once a week. So I know I've said it a few times already, but just thank you guys so much, and consider liking and subscribing to videos if you enjoyed them. And let me know in the comments what you want to hear me talk about or what you want to see, and I'll try to get that content out for you guys. So once again, thank you, and stay tuned for future videos. Bye, guys.